$400 a month. No clickbait, no jokes, no lies. I'm gonna give you a complete breakdown on how I survive here in Vietnam on $400 a month. I've gone through my whole budget, everything from food, gym, supplements, even going out for beers and drinks, mobile bill, gas, monthly gas, my rent, food, water, everything. I'll even break it down as to what I'm buying, and I'm gonna let you know in this video. So stick around if you're interested to know what it's like to live on a budget of $400 a month here in Vietnam. Keeping in mind I live in a smaller city. I'm not in the bigger cities like Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi or Da Nang. In these cities you will pay minimal double that, and more comfortably would be around $1,000. So excuse me if I'm looking down. I have it all written down, and I will add it up as a tally here on the side and provide some videos and just show you what it's like to live here in Vietnam. So if you guys aren't subscribed already, check me out. If you've seen in my recent videos, I've torn my ACL. I don't know if you can see that. I've torn my ACL, so I'm not out and about filming like I normally would. I apologize for that, but getting better, and soon I'll be making more detailed videos where I'm actually showing you around while I'm filming. Today I'm just sitting at this beautiful coffee shop. But yeah, let's get into it. So me, like I said, it's $404 exactly well, I guess approximately by a few dollars that I'm spending on a monthly basis. My rent. So I'm gonna switch now to a video of an apartment, an example of an apartment that costs as much as 3.5 million, which is $133 a month, and gets you a nice, clean, decent apartment in the city center. So $133. Next, food and water. I spend $61.56 a month on food. That's on like 500 grams of beef, 500 grams of pork, 500 grams of chicken, some lentils, some vegetables, and about 30 eggs. So that gets me 2 meals a day. I eat breakfast and dinner, and I fast on Sundays. So all of that plus 40 liters of filtered water in a big jug, which lasts the month. It comes out to about $61.56. Next is gas. I've rounded up as well, by the way, guys. I'm counting these numbers. I've rounded up just to make it as realistic as possible. About $20 a month gets me everywhere I need to go, and even on my days off outside the city when I want to go to waterfalls and go camping, this kind of stuff, it's $20 a month is enough. Next, guys, we have the visa. So in living in Vietnam, you need to spend money on a visa. It costs about $38 a month, which you switch every 3 months. You can see in my previous videos, if you guys are more interested in how to do a visa run, I've broken that down in 2 different videos. You can check those out. Mobile bill is $10.64 a month. That equivalates to, I don't know if equivalates is a word, but it's 1 gig of data a day, which you can do right through an app on your phone. It's very easy. And that's the essentials. Actually, no, my gym pass is about $22.80 a month. This is at like a upper level gym with a sauna, new equipment, CrossFit equipment, air conditioned, new, beautiful. And they also have a boxing gym across the street that's related to it. You pay extra for that. Boxing training, good stuff. Supplements, which include creatine and protein, about $57 a month. So those are the essentials. Moving on to entertainment. Again, like I said, I'm not trying to do clickbait. I do live a little bit of a life. So spending about 4 hours a week on gaming. So going twice a week to go to a PC cafe to wind down a little bit, go with a friend. That equates to about $9.73 a month, where you go to a super high-end, very fast, high-tech gaming. I don't know anything about games. Don't laugh at me about that, but yeah, about $9.73 for 4 hours a week. Obviously, that's 16 hours a month for less than $10. You go in there, it's great, good fun. Movies, hypothetically, want to go to the movies. Set myself aside 1 day a month, and for $9.50, that is enough for 2 people and a huge popcorn with 2 drinks. So $9.50 for an outing if you want to bring a friend or a date, something like that. And then me, myself, I don't go out for drinking or dinner that often. I do mostly cook all my own meals, but I understand most people like to do that. I go out maybe once a month for beers and barbecue. This is a great cultural experience. You sit down and everybody wants to cheers with you and speak the limited amount of English that they know with you, and it's loud and fun and delicious. For that, get this. 24 beers for $13.30 in a box, right? So for 3 people, like going out with 2 friends and yourself, That's $13.30 split into 3 ways for 8 beers each. And then for the $22.80, it will cover a meal that will come with various types of barbecued meat and a bunch of vegetables, some kamjin. Kamjin is fried rice. So a big meal, definitely more than enough for 3 people. And adding all that up together, guys, that's about $404. So maybe there was clip late on that extra $4, but per month I'm spending approximately $404 a month. Guys, if you want to think about cigarettes, it's about 50 cents to $1 a pack. Like I said, $13.30 for a 24 box of beers. I'm pretty sure that's the same price as 1 beer back home. Let me know in the comments what you guys pay for a pint at the pub, and if you would rather pay $13.30 for 24 cans. And this isn't garbage beer, it's local normal beer. It tastes delicious. And yeah, if you guys think I've left anything out, let me know in the comments, or if you think that I should include something different in the video, let me know. I just wanted to let you guys know what it is to live in Vietnam on a good budget like this. Again, in bigger cities you're not going to be able to do that, but as you've seen in the video of the house, as well as some of the other pictures I've included. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned coffee, sorry. Coffee, I spend about $1 a day, so about $30 a month. And every time you go to a coffee shop, you get a delicious coffee. Best coffee in the world is from Vietnam, in my opinion, and they always give you free iced tea with it. And it's not some block Tim Hortons, Starbucks kind of shop. It's, look, like these are the average coffee shops that you go to. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, if you guys think that that's something you guys would want to do or check out or learn more about, follow me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was detailed, and I hope to be out soon. I'm on my crutches recently, but yeah, you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.